Have you ever seen this kind of style on the internet? Well, this is called Corporate Memphis, also known as Alegria art, and this kind of style is kinda everywhere because big companies are often using it as an illustration on their website, and some companies, even smaller companies, are following suit and they're using this kind of style into their design or social media page. Now, some people love it, some people hate it, but either way, here's how you can create something that look like this using ChatGPT. Okay, first let's go to chatgpt.com and then you can log in with your account. And I'm gonna be using this prompt. I'm going to just copy this and I'll show you which part of this prompt that you could customize. Okay, and don't worry, the prompt will be available in the video description. So generate a corporate Memphis illustration of a something, and in this case, I'm going to replace a woman watering her plant near the window with a cat sitting next to it. I'm going to replace this section with, let's say, two people, high five, and then it's male and female. That's basically it. And for the background, I prefer white background. And for the colors, it's just using flat colors, no border, simple facial features, and also 16:9 aspect ratio. You can select 1:1 or 9:16 because ChatGPT supports square and vertical pictures, but I'll stick with horizontal picture, which is 16:9 aspect ratio. You can make some customization. You can also add some instructions like you want to make the color to be more vibrant or add some gradient effect or something. Feel free to do so, but this is the basic prompt that you could use. Now let's click tools and create an image, and after that let's send the picture, let's send the prompt to ChatGPT and just wait for it to generate the picture. All right, there you go. It's actually much faster than I expected, perhaps because this style is actually quite simple and therefore shouldn't take a lot of time to just generate the picture. And after that, you can save the picture to your computer and maybe you want to use it on your website or on your social media page. So what do you think about this style? Do you like it or do you hate it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. And if you want to see more AI tutorials, especially ChatGPT in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.